And we're back. You heard something about that? I may have heard something about that a long time ago, but I was reminded of that this past Saturday. So mine and my husband's tradition for our kids on Valentine's Day has been that each of our kids gets one helium balloon each. Cool. Is that the kind of helium balloon that they can change their voice with? Or is that the kind that's a foil balloon? So I did the cooking on Valentine's evening. I made some. I'm very proud of my. It was eggplant parmesan marinara. Because why go out for expensive food when you can make it at home? And the answer is because it's a lot easier to have someone to have a professional to do that. Yes, it was very good. It was a lot of work, but it was very good. It was worth the time and the effort. I was in the kitchen for 4 hours. This was not a microwavable. I mean, now it's microwavable. We're going to be having leftovers. Um, Middle daughter tries to see how long the balloon stays up. Okay. Did you say what kind of? Yes, the kind that floats in the air. Okay. Yeah, I used to get those, and then they would just float around the living room, get in the way, like you were on your way to the bathroom and you bump into this helium balloon, and got a little bit annoying. I'm not gonna lie. So they have been outlawed. What am I doing here? What is my objective here? This is my objective. So five looses. Are you doing Lent? Are you a Lent participator? The reason I ask is this is my first time participating in Lent. I told her when she had a boyfriend and got married, she wouldn't want it, but she said, "Nope, I still want one for my parents." Okay. Has she already gotten a boyfriend and or gotten married yet? Apparently, my son has a girlfriend. Apparently, okay, this side is not yet fleshed out, so I'm going to start on this side. You do partial Lent? You do partial Lent. If I remember to not cook chicken or meat on Fridays. I know, right? Yeah, I am giving up meat on weekdays. So, similar to my daughter is a vegetarian every day. So I decided maybe we'll live like her, understand what she goes through. So that's another reason why we did the eggplant parmesan last night. So I was under the impression that it was every weekday instead of just on Fridays. Can you elaborate on that? Because maybe I'm doing it wrong. My first time. Or that the partial Lent that you. In my Spanish culture, it's kind of a tradition, but I forget to do it sometimes. Okay. I'm learning so much about you. Five Luces, are you a streamer? Are you a. Can I shout out your channel? I guess I could shout anybody out, but if you had a channel that you stream on, it's like Ash Wednesday and every Friday until Good Friday, but some people do the extra effort that they will eat or do something during the season of Lent. Okay. I remember a flat-capped apple pastor explaining Lent, and then I said to myself, maybe I'll practice Lent. Maybe I'll do it next year. Lo and behold, now we go to a church that practices Lent. So I was right. I am doing it this year. No meet on those days. I'm not. Oh, you are not a streamer? I'm sure you've got plenty to share. Okay, let's see. What's going on today? Today is February 15th, 2024. Not only is it February 15th, it is also Annoy Squidward Day. Uh, if only I know how to do that. If only I knew where his house was. If only I could swim under the sea and knock on his door and play his clarinet, I would ignore Squidward. It's also Day of Ashakalia. There's a flag on this website. Let us dive deep into the importance of the history of the Ashakali people. It is also International Angel Man Day. Knowledge is power, so find out how to spread awareness about Angel Man syndrome. Okay, interesting. It's a syndrome. Uh, yes, ask SpongeBob. I'm sure he will know. International Childhood Cancer Day. I don't think that needs any explanation there. Learn about cancer's effect on children and how you can help. Not only is it International Childhood Cancer Day, it's also Liberation Day in Liberation Day Afghanistan. Let's dive deep into the historical war in commemoration of Afghanistan's freedom from the Soviet Union. It's also Love Reset Day. The day after Valentine's Day, you are invited on a journey of love that needs to start from within. It's also, I cannot pronounce this, Louis Nai Ni is the seed sowing festival bringing together the many tribes of the state. What state? We're talking about? I'm not sure. I'm not sure what state we're talking about. It's also National Black Girl Magic Day. Make sure I tell my daughter that. This day hopes to bring change and create an equal future for every black woman. And it is also National Flag of Canada Day. National Flag of Canada Day is here. We can't wait to raise the celebrations. And that is your taste of other things that are going on today. And not only that, there are many things. There's National Gumdrop Day, there's National Want Butterscotch Day, National Marcus Day, National Wisconsin Day, something else I can't pronounce, Nirvana Day, Remember the Main Day, Singles Awareness Day, the day after Valentine's Day. It's also Sovereignty Day of Serbia. It's also Saint Skeletor's Day. Really? Saint Skeletor's Day? Really? Who made that up? The antithesis of Valentine's Day is here, and it's time for the singles to not mingle. Oh, man. Oh, Saint Skeletor. Susan B. Anthony Day. Okay, I think I've got enough. This day is very, very extensive. But there you go. Today is February 15th. Many things to celebrate on this day.